guys, so it's a nice day. I've got a week off, so I'm just going to pop up to see a friend that I haven't seen for a while. He's probably to make me a cup of tea, which is always good. So it's not far away, but I thought I'll take the bike out today. Just took the car for an MOT, that passed. A couple of little bits to do on it, but nothing major. So yeah, take the bike out and enjoy the weather while it's here. I wasn't planning on taking the bike out, but I was at home when he texted me to say he was at work. So I thought, why not? So I think the bike was okay where I got it positioned before. I'm hoping nothing's changed. I do have to put another little sticky pad inside just to keep it in place. But yeah, I believe it's okay. I have moved the camera down slightly because it was up a little bit too high on the first video, so we'll see if it's better on this position. It's not that hard to adjust. It's just a matter of undoing the thumb screw and just moving the little clip down or up, whatever way you want to go. So now I've got the camera sorted. There is a group on Facebook, Challenge Accepted. I will be looking into doing some of these challenges as I'm out on the bike. I do have to have a little look through and see what ones are still up and what ones have been done. Spend my net lift, not that it matters to use. lanes now. It's hard to think about what to talk about really, but obviously as I get out a bit more and do a few more of these blog type videos, it won't be so bad, I hope. Can't really see up the side of him. So yeah, the guy I'm going to see does want to get a bike. He's going to be doing his direct access soon. So hopefully, if I can arrange it, I'll try and do direct access at the same time. But I am trying to. It probably won't be this year now. It'll probably be next year by the time I'm doing direct access now. What to get when I've passed? It's a good one. There is quite a few bikes that I quite like the look of. So I think it's just a matter of when I get the direct access, what's available, and obviously for what sort of money. I would like the Super Duke, but sort of mixed reviews really on the engines on those. But I think it's the same as anything really. If it's been looked after, if it's been serviced regular, someone that does the maintenance on it, then there's no reason why it shouldn't last and why it shouldn't be a good bike. So we're a couple of minutes away from him now. And he makes a lovely cup of tea, so it's worth visiting him. Another reason to bring the bike up is you can't always park up here. They have changed a lot of the parking around here. So if I take the bike, I can park the bike in the workshop and it's not much of a problem. need to also find out who does window tinting off of Paul when I go down there, down at the car sales. My nephew wants to have his windows tinted on his bike, on his car. So I know he knows a guy that might be able to help him out. The bike certainly sounds a lot better with the baffles out. So yeah, I think it's going to be they're going to be left out now.